We come out here to ride these small desert towns because they are truly unique and there's really nothing like it out there. You can go hundreds of miles without seeing a stoplight, a stop sign, and often it's more really not about that quickest destination, but like the unique things you see along the way.
On ne sait rien, on ne sait plus quoi faire, presque du mal, c'est le monde à l'envers, on n'a plus le temps, fini les bonnes manières.
We are in Borrego Springs, California, which in my opinion has some of the best riding in Southern California. People just don't know about how many unique routes are here, from desertscape to mountain. There's probably about 6 routes that I would highly recommend that are just so diverse in mileage and scenery. And we're gonna put those all up on the Harley-Davidson app so everyone can enjoy them.